will also talk you through the Dutch oven technique. And what you're going to need is you're going to need a bag of oranges, a cutting board, a knife, a grapefruit spoon, aluminum foil, and the pop and bake type of cinnamon rolls with the icing. What you're going to do is you're going to cut your orange in half, like this. And then I have found that if you use a grapefruit spoon and just go around the edge, taking the pulp out. You're going to continue doing that until the orange looks like this. Once you have that done, you're also going to need to do the other half because you're going to make like a little mini oven with your oranges. So let me take this pulp out of this one. And it's okay if you don't get every little bit of the pulp out because that's what flavors the cinnamon rolls. Okay. Then you're going to take your cinnamon rolls and you're going to open them up and you're just going to put one roll per half. If they come apart, that's okay. Just wrap it around. You're going to put it in your orange and put the cap on. You'll then take your aluminum foil and you're going to wrap your orange in the aluminum foil and then twist it. Now, a hint, make sure that you put some type of mark on the bottom because what you're going to do is you're going to put these in the coals of your fire and in about 10 to 15 minutes you're going to flip them. You won't know which direction to flip them if you don't have some type of indicator. Or you can just twist the top, and remember the twisted part is the top and the flat surface is the bottom. Now, in about 15 to 20 minutes you can check by gently squeezing this. If you feel some resistance, that means that your cinnamon roll on the inside has baked. Once you get that resistance, you can remove them from the coals, allow them to cool a little bit, take them out of the aluminum foil, and add the icing as usual. And that's all there is as far as orange cinnamon rolls. Now, the Dutch oven method, you don't need the top because the Dutch oven lid will act as the top. Instead of putting it in the coals of the fire, you're actually going to put the coals on the bottom and the top of the Dutch oven, just like you would any type of cooking that you would do with a Dutch oven. So until we meet at Campsite again, this has been Mindy from Camping Nerd.